Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to apply animation to the website. So let's jump into Figma and get started. I designed this website in my previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, check it out first. I'm going to remove this flower image here and ungrouping the product card. It will help with animation later. Now resize the frame. Next, frame the heading group. Duplicate the frame. In the first frame, move all the flower images out of the frame. Duplicate the frame again. In the first frame, move the text elements out of the frame like this. Select the frame and clip the content. Let's connect the first and second frame using after delay for 100 ms with Smart Animate transition set to gentle for 800 ms. Then connect second and third frame using after delay of 1 ms and ease in and out for 1500 ms. Let's give it a quick check. Duplicate the third frame. Now extend the third frame and move the text to the right. And reduce its opacity to 0. Resize the frame. Extend the fourth frame and move this flower image here. Resize and align it. Now resize the frame back. Select all the section and move them upwards until you see the next section fully. Now connect these frames using on-drag interaction. Duplicate the fourth frame. Extend the fourth frame and move the product cards slightly downwards. Then resize the frame back. Extend the fifth frame. Move this flower. Resize the frame. Move all the section upwards in the fifth frame. Then connect the frames using on-drag interaction. Make sure your elements or sections are not grouped or framed together for these interactions to work smoothly. Duplicate the fifth frame and extend it. Resize these cards and reduce the opacity of text overlay on them. Resize the frame back. In the sixth frame, move all the section upwards until you see the next section. Connect these frames using on-drag interaction. Duplicate the sixth frame. In the seventh frame, we will apply an auto scroll animation to the review section. Duplicate the review cards, select them and frame them together. resize that frame and make sure to clip the content. Now duplicate this frame. Select both the frame and create a component set. Now connect the frames using after delay of 1 ms and linear for 10,000 ms. Then connect the second frame back to first using after delay for 1 ms and instant transition. Place this component into the main frame. In the 7th frame, move all the section upwards until you see the next section clearly. Duplicate the 7th frame. In the 8th frame, just like before, move all the section upwards to reveal the footer. Then connect these frames using on-drag interaction with ease in and out for 1500 ms. And that's it. We have added some interactive animation to our website design. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Figma tutorials. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.